Hi everybody, and welcome to video number 2, as promised. In this video I shall be investigating why the power supply for the previous video's Shuttle XPC didn't want to boot. Now, hopefully I've got the camera angle correct, and one second, sorry, I have a proper microphone on my phone, but I'm also up here recording from a top-down video so you can see exactly what happens when I undo the case. So let's get on with it and see what's happening. I will choose a screwdriver with the correct bit size. That's going to be one of those. Can you see? Yep, one like that, little screwdriver set with replaceable bits. And we have 1, 2, 3 screws. So let's get into it. No, that's the wrong size bit. Let's try again, maybe with a flathead screwdriver to see if that works any better. Yes, there we go. 1 screw. Two screws. And 3 screws. We lift the top up. It's split down there, and as you can see it's already coming apart. We lift it up and off. And there we go. Let's see whether I can zoom in any more on that for you. No. There we go. Not really. No. Okay, so back to how it was. So, massive capacitor, heatsink, fan, and lots of goo. But it's a smart power supply because in here, if I can show you on the other camera, so as you can see from here, there is a smart chip. So, obviously, there must be a line where it communicates with the motherboard. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know about power supplies. What I am going to look at is the other capacitors. So, I've said so again. Oh, I hate doing that. That capacitor, that capacitor. In fact, all the small capacitors are actually bulging. So let me see if I can get a zoom in on there. Yes, so bulging, 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 bulging. So basically, I think the power supply is completely foobarred, which is oomphed up beyond all recognition. Really, to be honest, don't think it's worth me fixing. For the time and the cost, I mean, it'll only cost, you know, 4 or 5 quid for the components, but the time and the danger of me repairing this, which I'm not used to, is not worth it. When I can get a brand new, in fact, well, it'll be a second-hand one, but new to me, from eBay for about £30, and that's probably what I will do. Okay, well, very short video this time, but I did want to do another one at the weekend, so you've had one a week. Thanks for watching. Look out for the next video. Don't know when it will be next week, but it will definitely be next week, probably the same time on a Sunday maybe, where I will be doing a teardown and a cleaning, hopefully, of this. That is a device I bought from eBay, but that's for another time. Thanks for watching. See you soon.